Hello everyone. In today's video we are discussing about one simple concept related to analytical chemistry, that is preparation of solution. So in the preparation of solution, first of all the important point is solution is made up of two things, that is solute and solvent. While prepare the solution, one important point, that is their concentration. So concentration is expressed in two forms. First one is a normality and second one is the molarity. So what is mean by normality? Normality is the equivalent weight of substance per 1 liter of the solution, and number of equivalents means weight of solute in gram divided by equivalent weight of solute, and molarity the number of moles of solute per 1 liter of the solution, or number of millimoles of solute per volume of the solution in milliliter. So in the concept of normality and molarity, there is a only difference related to equivalent weight and molecular, the number of moles present. So we consider one simple numerical, that is 0.15 kg of acetic acid solution contains how many moles of acetic acid. So in this type of numerical, there is a solution of acetic acid, and in this solution 0.15 kg of acetic acid is present. So we have to calculate the number of moles of acetic acid. So for calculation of number of moles, we use the simple formula: moles, number of moles is equals to weight in gram divided by molecular weight. So here the weight is given in kilogram. So our first step is the conversion of kilogram to gram. So here 0.15 kg means 150 gram divided by molecular weight of acetic acid. So acetic acid is CH3COOH. So molecular weight of acetic acid is equals to 60. So 150 divided by 60, which is equals to 2.5. So 0.15 kg of acetic acid solution contains 2.5 moles of acetic acid. So this is one simple type of explanation. Again, when we prepare the solutions, the two important types, that is AR and LR. So AR means analytical reagents and LR means laboratory reagents. So basically analytical reagents are used for research work having high purity, and laboratory reagents are pure, having reliable accuracy in routine laboratory analysis. So whenever we prepare solution in laboratory, that is LR reagent. So again the next type we consider, that is preparation of solution. So we have to prepare 0.1 normal sodium thiosulfate solution. So here we have to prepare normal solution. So when we prepare normal solution, we have to consider the equivalent weight of any substance. So here molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate is 248 and their equivalent weight is also 248. So we have to prepare 0.1 normal solution. So when we prepare normal solution, we consider one simple formula, that is normality is equals to weight in gram divided by equivalent weight into volume of solution divided by 1000. So here divided by 1000 means it is a standard value volume. So here we have to prepare 0.1 normal of sodium thiosulfate solution. Then weight in grams, that we have to calculate, weight in gram. Then divided by equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate is 248 into standard volume is 1000, and we have to prepare also 1000 ml solution. So when we calculate the weight in gram is equals to 0.1 into 248 into 1000 divided by 1000. So which is equals to 24.8, which can consider as an 25. So we have to take 25 gram of sodium thiosulfate, and that we have to dissolve to 1000 ml of water in volumetric flask up to the mark. So while preparing the sodium thiosulfate solution, we have to take one simple precaution, that is the sodium thiosulfate solution may get decomposed because of their bacterial action, because sodium thiosulfate is an inorganic salt. So if we want to store this sodium thiosulfate solution for longer period, we have to add sodium carbonate or sodium carbonate solution or chloroform solution, which prevent the bacterial activity. So this is for normal type of solution. We have to use this simple formula, but for molar solution or for any molarity of, find out the molarity of the solution, the change in formula is only related to equivalent weight is get replaced by molecular weight. So suppose we have to prepare 0.2 molar NaOH solution. So molecular weight of NaOH is equals to 40. So we have to add these terms, that is 0.2 into 40. Suppose we have to prepare the 250 ml, that is volume, and divided by our standard volume, that is 1000 ml. So when we calculate these things, we get the weight in gram of NaOH. So that we have to dissolve to 250 ml in volumetric flask. So this is a simple method for preparation of any solution. While preparation of solution, we have to only consider, that is precautions related to their storage. So most of the times the solution should be stored in glasswares with a stopper bottle. So this is all for today. Thank you.